Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on how to crypto. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Binance crypto wallet. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now let's get into it. Firstly, open up the Play Store app and there search for Binance wallet. And once you found it, tap on install button. As you tap on it, the installation will be started. Now here your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you have to tap on open button in order to open your Binance crypto wallet on your device. Now once you tap on open button, you will be landed to Binance homepage. Now that's all it takes to download your Binance crypto wallet on your device.
How to open an account on Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser, but you can also do this on your mobile application for Binance or simply surf it through on the mobile web. Type in www.binance.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Binance. In order to create a new account, go to the register button at the top right next to the login button and click it on. Now, there are two options from where you can sign up or create an account for Binance. You can either choose an email option or pick a mobile option from the display. If you choose the mobile option, you'll need to type in your mobile number, create a password for yourself, and click Create Account. But if you'd like to register using an email, type in the email in the text box where it says email. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you have an access to. After you're done, head over to the password text field and create a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is strong and it is easier for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Before moving on, check your password twice by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner. While creating a password, make sure that your password meets this criteria as displayed on the screen. It should be at least 8 characters long. It should include at least one uppercase letter and one number in your password. Make sure that this box is checked right here where it says I have read and agreed to the terms of conditions and services. And finally, click on Create Account. Go through a little verification process. And now, enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to your email address that you tried signing up with. Open up a new tab, go to your mailbox, and you should receive an inbox from Binance. Click it on and copy the verification code that you received from Binance and paste it into the email verification code text boxes. Once you type it in, you'll be taken to a next page and you'll see that you have successfully created an account on Binance. You can also directly go to your dashboard by clicking on this link right here at the top right corner, and there you have successfully created an account on Binance. How to change your password for your Binance account. Start by opening up a web browser and make sure you're logged into your Binance account. From the homepage of Binance, go and click on the human icon at the top right, and this will bring out an expanded menu. Go to the security option from the drop down. Now from this page, scroll a bit down under advanced security and you'll be able to see an option that says login password. Go and click on the change link right next to it in order to move on to the next step. Now what you'll need to do is enter your old password that you are currently using for your Binance account into the text box where it says old password. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner. Now head over to the next field and type in the new password that you are trying to change to. While creating a password, make sure that you have created at least 8 characters long password and it includes at least one uppercase and one digit in your password. Head over to the next field and confirm the new password that you just typed in by re-entering the password again. Soon after you do that, click on Confirm Changes. And you'll be able to change your password to a new one on Binance account with just a few simple steps. How to change your email on Binance. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in binance.com and make your search. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, go to the top right and click on the human icon. You'll be able to see an expanded menu appearing on the display. Go and click on the security option from the expanded menu. Under security, you'll be able to see a tab called email address verification. Right next to it, click on the change button in order to change your email address. From the pop-up, click on confirm. And now, enter the new email address that you'd like to change to for your Binance. Now you'll need to type in the email verification code that will be sent to the following email address that you just typed in. To receive that, click on Get Code. Now, a verification code has been sent to your email with a success message at the top right. Open up a new tab and log into your email address that you'd like to change to. Go to your mailbox and you'll see that an email has been received from Binance. Click it to open and you'll receive a verification code sent to the particular email. Copy the code, go back to the Binance Change Email Address page, and now paste in the code that you received into the new email verification code text box. You'll also need to go through a security verification, so you'll need to type in the phone verification code as well. To receive it, click on Get Code right next to the box where it says Phone Verification Code. Go through the mobile verification process. You'll soon receive a verification code to your mobile number that is associated with this account. Once you receive the code, type it into the text box. Make sure to type it in correct. And once you do that, you'll also need to verify with the email address that you are using currently on your Binance account. Click on Get Code right next to the box and then open up the same email that you are currently using for your Binance account. You'll receive an inbox from Binance. Click it open, copy the verification code again. Now type in the verification code under the verification code text box for Binance. And finally, after everything's typed in into the boxes, click on Submit. And there you have successfully changed your email address for your Binance account. Click on Log In. This time you are logging in, you'll need to enter the new email that you just changed to into the first text box where it says Email. Type in your password into the next text box and click on Login. Go through the security verification and there you have signed into your Binance account with the new email address that you just changed to. How to recover your Binance account. Sometimes you might walk in a situation when you are trying to log into your Binance account but you've forgotten your password and don't remember it at all. So in that case, we're gonna learn how to solve the issue by simply recovering your account. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser first. Go to Binance.com by typing into the address bar at the top, and then you'll end up in the official website. Click on the login link at the top right, and this will open up the login area for Binance. You can either go to the mobile tab or to the email tab to log into your account. This depends on how you chose to sign up during the registration process. Since I signed up using my email, let me go ahead and type in my email into the text box. Now, when it asks for your password, if you remember the password during the process, type it into the text box. But if you don't, click on Forgot Password link right beneath. It says that for security purposes, no withdrawals are permitted for 24 hours after you change your password. From the pop-up, select Continue, and now enter your email address into the text box one more time. This is to verify that the account belongs to you. Now click on the Next button after you are done. Complete the verification puzzle and wait for the code that has been sent to your email address. Open up a new tab, go to the email inbox, and you should receive an email from Binance. Copy the verification code that has been sent to you. Go back to security verification page and paste the code that has been sent to you via email. Now, to reset your password or to recover your account, go ahead and type in the new password that you'd like to use for your Binance account. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner. Make sure that your passwords include at least 8 characters. It must have an uppercase letter and one number included in your password as well. After you're done, confirm the password into the next text box by typing it again. And finally, after you are done filling in both of the boxes, click Next. And there you have successfully recovered your Binance account by changing its password. Click Login and log into your account using your credentials, that is your email address, and the new password that you just recovered to. And finally click on Login and you have successfully recovered your Binance account password even when you've forgotten it during the login process. How to add Binance to Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is a security application based on two-factor authentication that helps to verify users' identities before granting them access to the website or service. If you'd like to enable the Google Authenticator on your Binance, start by logging into your account first. Open up a web browser and go to www.binance.com and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, at the top right menu, go to the profile icon. From the expanded menu, select Security. find the Google Authenticator option under two-factor authentication from this page and go to the right side and click Enable. You'll be redirected to the next page. Here, you can start the process of enabling Google two-factor authentication. You'll need to download and install the Google Authenticator app. Now, you'll need to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, whether it's for your iPhone or your Android. Once you're done with it, click Next. Now scan the QR code from your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, and once you do that, click on Next. You'll need to now save this key that is displayed on the screen right here by writing it on a piece of paper, since this key will allow you to recover your Google Authenticator in case you've lost your phone. Once you save it somewhere else safe, click Next. Now you have enabled Google Authenticator. You'll need to type in the verification code that will be sent to your mobile number. So in order to receive that, click on Get Code. Wait for a few seconds. Once you receive the code, type it into the text box. Once you do that, you'll also need to type in the email verification code. So click on Get Code again and simply go ahead and open up your email. You'll receive an inbox from Binance. Click it Open and copy the code that you received. Come back to this page and type in the code or paste it in. Now, you'll need to type in the Google verification code by opening up your Google Authenticator app and simply paste in the link that is displayed on the screen. Finally, after everything's done, click Next, and you have successfully enabled Google Authenticator on your Binance account. Click on Back to Security and you are done. How to buy a crypto on Binance. First, log into your Binance account. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on the trading icon in yellow. Tap on Buy. Now choose the crypto you want to buy from the list of the options displayed. Once you select one, go ahead and enter the amount you'd like to buy and tap on the Buy button at the bottom. Now select your payment method from the options displayed and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner. And after you do that, you'll be able to buy a crypto on Binance. How to find your wallet address on Binance. If you're looking for a way to receive cryptocurrency from someone, you'll need to find the wallet address for your cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Start off by clicking Open a web browser. In the address bar, go to www.binance.com and search. Once you're logged in, go to your wallet option at the top right corner and from the expanded menu, click on Fiat and Spot. Now under Fiat and Spot menu, go ahead and search for BNB. Once you find it, move towards the right side and click on Deposit. After you click on Deposit, you'll land in the deposit page of cryptocurrency that you've selected. If you've not selected any, go to the drop down where it says Network and select BNB. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your wallet address inside the address text field. You can now copy the link by clicking on this copy icon. Once the link has been copied, you can send it to the person that is sending you the cryptocurrency. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address on Binance. How to invite friends to Binance. You can easily invite friends to Binance with the Binance referral. With this program, every new users will be able to join Binance with a referral code, and the person who refers will receive a commission on fees right after the new referred user trades on any of the Binance spots. To invite some friends to your Binance, go and tap Open your Binance application from the app drawer. Also, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, from the home page, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, and in the expanded menu, tap on My Referral ID. Your referral ID will be shown in the page. Simply copy the ID and click on Invite Now. Now choose the size of the invitation and click on Share at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to go through the contact list that you have on your phone. Go ahead and select any contacts and send it to your friends. While sending the message, enter the referral code as well and send it to your contact. Soon after you do that, once your friend uses your referral code and join into the Binance account, you'll be able to add a friend to Binance. But be sure that you or your invitee puts the correct referral code and you'll be done. That is how you can easily invite friends to Binance. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.